Hello guys, and welcome to this video where I'm going to be showing you how to use the audio native functionality in 11 labs to voice the contents of any web page with this AI. So what you have to do is to go to this website 11labs.io/home/app/home and sign in. So once you sign in, you can choose from the sidebar menu here. Just scroll down and choose the audio tools, then click on audio native. It should bring you to a page similar to this. Now you can scroll down and see what it takes to use this feature. First of all, you have to be subscribed to at least the creator tier um, subscription plan, so which means it's for creator subscription. So if you are looking for a free version, this would not give you. If you're looking for something on the free version, this would not be appropriate for you. And the functionality of this audio native is to increase engagement and time on page, and you can also track your performance. And this native player can be customized to your brand. So this is how to use the audio native functionality on 11 labs. If this video has been helpful to you in any way, please let me know in the comments below, and I'll see you in the next one. Do have a great day.